Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Żaneta, Polish girl living in Taiwan. Despite the scorching heat, we ventured to Tongxiao Beach to experience the first ever Sand Sculpture Art Festival, which just kicked off and runs until September 8th. This festival is drawing visitors to Miaoli seaside, featuring 15 major sculptures that showcase Miaoli culture through local myths and legends. Highlights include a towering traditional Hakka mansion, a dragon climbing bridge, statue of the goddess Matsu, and the door gods. In the evening, the sculptures are illuminated in a stunning multicolored light show, making for incredible photo opportunities. Held at Tongxiao Beach, the largest seaside park in Taiwan, the festival offers smooth, pristine white sand that contrasts beautifully with the deep blue sea, offering breathtaking sunrises and sunsets. This year's theme, Children of the Mountains Meet the Sea, highlights large-scale connected sand sculptures showcasing Hakka culture. The festival includes interactive installations, weekend markets, couture performances, and workshops for all ages. Renowned sand sculptors from Japan, South Korea, and Taiwan, including world champions, present their exquisite craftsmanship. The best part? Entrance is free. Plus, there is spacious parking and plenty of beach to enjoy. Don't worry about getting sandy. There are several places to rinse off for free. Even though it was a hot day, the beach was bustling with people and food stalls, at least on the weekends. But it's not just the beach to enjoy. There is also a park shaded with trees and a playground for kids. We even saw a man with a horse, but it wasn't easy to take pictures as the horse kept moving. It was noon, so we decided to find some food in town. A quick search on Google Maps showed many delicious options in Tongxiao. We tried a unique beef noodle soup with a Sichuan pepper flavor that I haven't encountered elsewhere. It was really good. On the other hand, the Lurovan was quite bland, so unless you preferred mild flavors, I wouldn't recommend it. We also sampled stinky tofu, which is very popular here, with over 2,000 reviews. Unfortunately, it wasn't to my taste. I prefer the super crispy, deep-fried stinky tofu. Despite staying hydrated, I still managed to get sunburned quickly. After enjoying the food, we drove back north, making a few interesting stops along the way. We stumbled upon a Totoro sculpture hidden in the bushes. Next, we visited an unusual park filled with a variety of clay sculptures, including people, animals, buildings, and other themes. The park also features pavilions, seats, and other rest facilities. This park, known as Qiumao Garden, was opened in 1975 by Huang Qiumao, who was drawn to the coastline, beaches, and seawater of Tongxiao town. He built Qiumao Garden to promote local prosperity. Although there is a small parking area, the main entrance is elsewhere, so many people park along the road for convenience. The park was almost deserted, and aside from the sculptures and trees, there wasn't much to see. If it hadn't been on our route, we probably wouldn't have visited. Our final stop was the Salt Museum. The Salt Factory has been in production since its establishment in 1964. In recent years, to develop the tourist industry, the factory has developed tourist and leisure facilities and services such as the Ocean Hot Spring Food Bath Stream, an exhibition and sales center. In 2011, the Tai'an Tongxiao Tourist Park was established. The area is quite large, featuring a shop selling local products and a restaurant. It was crowded and parking was a challenge. I'm not sure why it's so popular, because there isn't much to see. However, many elderly visitors enjoyed soaking their feet in the water, and kids were playing around. The museum offers insight into salt production and different types of salt. Lastly, we cooled down with some ice cream in Holong before wrapping up our adventure. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!